Micron on the weekly chart, little indecision coming in here on the week, although we did have that nice little pop in volatility. IB rank is sitting at 47 for this guy in here by this Friday. Everybody's pricing in right around a $15 expected move on some raw IV of 67%. We have this harsh trend line drawn in right here. That's because ever since September, early September, just a nice little straight up and down in here, almost elevator like as we're just climbing higher. Basically had a low in here of right around 115 or so, and now we're trading up here in those 232. So a nice pop in here in the past 2 months. Something's got to give. Getting a little top heavy in here, and especially with this indecision candle that happened on this past week, we're going to see what happens in here. So what are we going to set up for our support in here going forward? Since we are up here 220, that's going to be a level we're looking at. That's kind of where our previous supports have been kind of aligned with here on this trend line. So if you kind of go out here, extend that out, 220 is going to be the area that we are looking at for a major support. Anything below there, you're looking up down here. Looking at down here right around 206. Now to the upside resistance, obviously the high of the year trading at 232.40. That is going to be a major player for us. Anything above there, nice whole numbers working our way up. But we're going to see if we're going to keep on respecting this harsh trend line that we have been respecting in here for the past 2 months or so. So we're going to see what happens if that is eventually going to break, or are we going to keep on respecting that, especially with all the earnings catalysts coming in on the week this coming week. So again, $14 expected or $15 expected move priced in by this Friday 21 as we go into the following on IV sitting at 47. So we'll see what happens in here for Micron. All in all, a nice past 2 months in here. Something's kind of got to give. 220s need to hold for us in here. If not, then we're going to be working our way down to those 206s once more. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.